are on a beautiful late October day, combining corn. Right now we're in the combine. It's an April combine, and we have corn going into the header. Here's the driver. How's it going?
Good.
You're not driving. Your hands aren't on the wheel. What's going on?
It's auto steer.
What's that mean when you say it's auto steer?
There's a marker and it follows the roll, and it moves like this. If the row moves, it turns this way. If the row's going this way, it turns this way.
When the row curves, you mean?
Yeah.
The corn row's curved? Okay. All right. Do you ever have to steer?
Yeah.
What?
If the corners are really sharp, you'll have to steer.
Okay. All right. So we have the steering wheel. And then up here we have the map of the farm. There's a little arrow where the combine is on the map, so the driver knows where we are out in the field. And below it shows the monitor, gives the miles per hour. Like right now we're going 2.5 miles per hour.
That's how far we drove so far, 1,640 miles.
And so far this fall the combine's gone 1,640.6 miles. We have our fuel range, the farm average for the bushels per acre, as well as on-the-go yield per acre. Got it lined up, Andre?
Yep.
Once Andre has it turned, the combine takes over, the sensors take over, and no hands. You can't see, oh, there's corn back there. It's the window shows where the corn nibble is in the hopper. Anything else, Andre?
I don't know.
Turn the auto steer off like that, it wants to take off.
That little beep 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 that sounded like a video game, that is just the computer telling the driver that the combine head is lifted up. If you listen, you'll hear it go beep 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 again when Andre puts the head back down.